my dear kids. I hope you all to be perfectly fine. Now in this video, we are going to learn about wild animals. These animals lives in the forest. We have already finished with domestic animals. Now comes the turn for wild animal. So let's get started. Now see, this is a bear. Okay, the baby of bear is called cub. And the bear grunts. Fine. Now see how it's moving. Can you see? And bear loves to eat honey. You can say like this, that the favorite food of bear is honey. Fine. Now which animal is this? This is lion. It's a wild animal and it's called the king of the jungle. Right? And baby of lion is called cub. Baby of lion is called cub. Okay. And the lion says roar. Okay. Now which animal is this? This is elephant. Elephant, right? It's a wild animal and elephant says trumpet. Elephant says trumpet. And baby of elephant is called calf. Baby of elephant is called calf. Okay. Elephant. Now see, it's a toy giraffe. Right. So, giraffe is also counted under wild animal. It has got very long neck. And the baby of giraffe is called calf. Baby of giraffe is called calf. Now this is what? Tiger. Have you ever seen in the zoo or somewhere? In the pictures, movies, you must have seen, right? Tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. And baby of tiger is called cub. It's a wild animal. Now, it's a monkey. It's a wild animal, right? And monkey says chatter chatter. And monkeys love to eat bananas, right? And it is popularly known as one of the naughtiest wild animal. Fine. Now this is what? This is a zebra. Okay, it is having white and black stripes on its body. And baby of zebra is called foal. And the zebra says bray, same as donkey, right? And baby of foal, even horse baby is also called foal, right? Now see, this is a deer. Okay, this is a deer. And baby of deer is called fawn. Fine. Now see, this is a fox. Okay. And baby of fox is called kit. Not kid. Kit. And foxes howls. Okay. Where the foxes, they lift their face up and they howl. And a very common adjective attached to fox is cunning fox. Okay. So these foxes are very cunning. Now let's do a quick revision. Zebra. It is having white and black stripes on its body. Monkey. Monkey loves to eat banana. Giraffe. This animal is having a very long neck. Giraffe. Fox. Fox is popularly known as cunning fox. Elephant. Elephant says trumpet. Deer. Baby of deer is called fawn. Bear. Bear loves to eat honey. Lion. Lion is called the king of the jungle. Tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. So now, bye everyone. Thank you.